We've seen a change in the weather in the southwest ahead of a cold front. Now that frontal system moves in on Saturday night, possibly bringing in heavy rainfall and gale force winds. But we're expecting clearer conditions over the interior with a sunny and pleasant Sunday in store. On our satellite, you'll still see a band of cloud and showers moving across South Africa, with morning thunderstorms occurring over the southern part of the Free State as well as towards the east coast. Our satellite shows that band of cloud representing the cold front heading towards South Africa's borders, but we've already seen a large amount of cloud and a few showers occurring ahead of that. On our synoptic analysis, you'll see that band of thunderstorms extending across South Africa, and there's the cold front that will move in on Saturday evening. It brings in widespread showers with it, with the possibility of heavy rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa, and there's also a warning for gale force winds along the coast between Table Bay and Cape Agulhas. On Sunday, we're expecting that windy weather to spread through to the southern part of South Africa, with some rain still in the forecast over the southwestern and southern parts, but we're expecting clearer conditions over the interior with a warmer day in store, and we're expecting a sizzling hot day over parts of KZN and the Lowveld. Here's our rainfall probability map with a 60% chance of thunderstorms over parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape. Isolated though as we head towards the coast and towards the northwest. And then here's the effects of that cold front as it brings in widespread rainfall in the southwest, as well as a 40% chance of rainfall along the west coast. Windy conditions are expected over the central interior with a strong northwesterly wind for Cape Town, and you'll see a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind along the Eastern Cape coastline. Temperatures still remain warm in the northeast with highs in the middle and upper 20s for Gauteng. Hot as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, 30 degrees for Durban, and you'll see highs in the mid-20s along the coast between George and East London, with a cooler day over the western part of the country. Overnight, we're expecting chilly conditions, particularly over the interior, with minimums dropping into the single digits for the Free State and Kimberley. You'll see a minimum in the mid-teens for Port Elizabeth and Bishu, as well as over the northeastern interior. Still quite warm though for the Lowveld, 19 degrees for Bombela, and warm along the east coast with minimum temperatures remaining in the low 20s. In Cape Town, we're expecting cloudy and cool weather throughout Saturday, with a maximum temperature of 20 degrees and a strong northwesterly wind. That cold front moves in on Saturday evening, and that brings in widespread rainfall with it, with the possibility of heavy rainfall, 13 degrees overnight with wind speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour. On Sunday, you'll still see rainfall over the southwestern and southern part of South Africa, but with fine and dry weather for the rest of South Africa. You'll also see a warmer day over the interior with a sizzling hot day over parts of KZN as well as the Lowveld. Still toasty for Bombela on Monday at 37 degrees, but with some rain cooling things off along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.